Hey everybody, it's your girl, Kay. Okay, so you guys don't know, but I've been waiting all day for this package because I told you guys that I would have an unboxing to do, right? I've been waiting all day for you. All right, let's see what it really feels like. I don't know if I really want to cut this piece here. This is what we all been waiting on. Ooh. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that for real? They tough. They tough. All right. Let's see. We're going to take that paper off there. Bam. One more time. One more time. It's hard to see with my light here because I got... It's cool. Just know. Alright. So now, it just opened like that. Just open. Bam. Just like that. Okay. Let me see what's in here. Oh, you got your cord and your earpieces. I can't even. Alright. And it comes, you get 3 different sizes, and then you got the one that they already have on there, so that's 4. And you see that's where you're going to charge it. So I got these because, as you guys know in my other reviews, I wasn't feeling my other headphones. I needed something for working out. So I'm hoping this will be it. Oh, it's so bright, you can't see. Oh, let me see. Let me move the light some. Let's see if I can. Turn it so you can see it just a little bit better, but my light is too bright. Can't stop the shine. All right, so yep, it comes in like that. I am told that it pairs pretty easily, which I did not try, but it's pretty clean. It definitely looks brighter than you expect it to be, and I'm okay with that. So yeah. There you go. This is just the unboxing. You know, I'll be back with the review and let you know your girl's out.